Hey guys, it's Andrea with Sucs For You in Houston, Texas, and it's been about a month since I did an update on these big box store Argyroderma and Lithops, or Lithops if that's what you call them. They're actually progressing pretty quickly. I thought it would take longer for the outer, older leaves to start drying out, but I did move them into some pretty bright sun, and I think that's been helping. Again, no water, or it might have gotten splashed by a little rain, but they haven't had any water. And I just wanted to show you guys how I kind of help the process. I haven't really done much on these yet, but again, it's really humid here, and this week is the first week it's been like really hot. So what I'm gonna do just with this guy is because this part's still pretty. It's kind of juicy. This one's drying up more. So I'm going to start by just trying to peel back a little bit. There we go. Of the old leaf. So I'm just really worried about any kind of water, anything getting trapped in there and keeping it from drying out completely. Yeah, that looks good. Shoot, sorry. So I'm just gonna peel that one back a little bit, and then we'll start this one over here. Just go in, open it up, and since I'm doing this, what's happening is the new leaf underneath that was covered up, just want to not put it in terribly full bright sun because it's new growth, and we don't want it to burn because it was protected by this outer leaf right here. And over here, these are doing really well. These are, oh look, it just came right off. That's nice. Let me do this one too. A little bit. Hey, nice. Okay. Sweet. It's a little bit down there. This is the part where I kind of worry about, like, when they do get watered, any water getting trapped, like, between that old leaf and the new growth. But I'm going to give that a little bit more time to finish drying out. Now this one has me a little bit worried, just the way it looks. Like, I'm not going to do this with one hand, but you can see this. It's just like, it's basically like jerky, like a dried apricot. That's probably like the closest description I can get. What I'll probably do is just go in, maybe give it a few more days, and go in with some small scissors and trim out some of that. I am just a little bit worried about. I'm sure it's okay. But that's where we're at now. So again, I'll put these where they're not going to get, like, I think that'll be a good spot for them right here. And one more right here. Yeah. All right, guys. That's where we're at. Thanks for watching.